Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. PhonicsMan checking in. Hopefully you have had an enjoyable week. I'm about to show you a quick 30-second drill that's going to have your students remember their vowel letters like it's nothing, like it's a piece of cake, like it's icing on top of the ice cream. Well, here we go. Show them the letters. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, let them know. Arm out, stretch it 4 times. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels, do it. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels, stretch it out. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels, that's time. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels, they're touching various pressure points. A, E, I, O, U. And tracking down the inside of their arm. Vowels, they're touching various pressure points. They're going to associate their vowel letters with that pressure point. And then when they track down, that's going to all isolate it into their memory. That's all you have to do, ladies and gentlemen. I promise you they'll know their vowels. Goodbye.